So hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today we're going to make a slow cooker dish. It's called Mississippi pot roast. So the ingredients are as follows. Traditionally it should be made with chuck roast. Unfortunately I couldn't find one, so I just got the sirloin tip oven bake roast. I also have a packet each of the ranch dressing mix and the au jus gravy mix. Both can be found in your local grocery store. I also have some butter in here. I also have here deli slice pepperoncini. Supposed to be you have to use whole pepperoncini. I couldn't find one, so I just grabbed this deli slice one. And I'm just gonna add my favorite seasoning, Montreal steak seasoning. You could also use salt and pepper. There you go guys. So let's start making our dump and go recipe, Mississippi pot roast. Okay, so let's start. I just added the roast inside my slow cooker. I also have a small bowl. I'm gonna dump my au jus gravy mix, the whole package, and then the ranch dressing. I'm also gonna add some Montreal steak seasoning and then mix them well. This is a very convenient dish, especially for working moms out there, and of course working dads as well. You just prepare everything in the morning, and then when you come home, you have the most tasty and delicious and flavorful meal for your family. So I'm just gonna dump everything in here. Also gonna add half a cup of butter, and then I'm also gonna add the pepperoncini. And then I'm gonna add a little juice as well. That's it. So we're gonna close the lid of our slow cooker. Set it on low for about 6 to 8 hours. So guys, it's been about 6.5 hours since I started cooking my roast. I'm just gonna show you how tender the beef turned out to be. Here you go. So I'm gonna wait for about another 30 minutes or so. Just gonna flip it on the other side, and then later on I'm gonna use 2 forks to shred my Mississippi pot roast. So this is good like a roast beef sandwich. You put it in an Italian bun, or like what I'm doing keto. I'm gonna put this on top of my spaghetti squash, or I'm gonna serve it for my family with some mashed potatoes. So this is how I'm gonna prepare my Mississippi pot roast. I'm gonna pair it with my spaghetti squash. Also, I have here some sliced cucumber. I'm gonna pour in some of the ranch dressing. And then for my main dish, I'm gonna add my slow cooked Mississippi pot roast on top of my spaghetti squash. And that will be my dinner for tonight. So here you go guys, this is my Mississippi pot roast. I hope you give this a try, and please let me know what you think. Thank you.